Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're noticing File Explorer is slow, lagging or freezing consistently or constantly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first thing I would suggest to close out of any programs and applications window. So kapag marami naka-open dito ng mga Windows applications, so kailangan lang natin yan close, exit natin para maiwasan yung error or instances of File Explorer you may have open. So makikita nyo dito na may mga tab dito sa File Explorer naka-open. So kailangan lang natin yan i-close. Okay? So i-close lang natin yan. And kailangan mo lang mag-restart dito sa start menu. Okay? So kapag na-close mo na lahat ng Windows applications and open tabs sa File Explorer, so kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Alright? So, and other solutions na pwede natin gawin. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in on small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification speed of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So after dito sa CMD at kailangan ulit natin dito mag-restart. Okay, so i-click mo lang tong restart. And the last solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang yan. And then dito sa search for apps, so i-type mo lang dito yung File Explorer. And then click mo lang dito yung open. Once na-open mo na yung File Explorer, so ang next step, dito lang sa taas mga kaibigan, so kailangan mo lang i-click yung tatlong dot or ito yung tinatawag na keyword. So click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung option. So pop up ito ang folder option settings. So ang next step, dito lang sa general and then dito lang sa baba, under dito sa privacy. So kailangan mo lang i-uncheck tong show files from office.com. So uncheck mo lang siya. And then click mo lang dito yung apply. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. So after dito, so close mo lang siya. And then dito lang sa start video at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Alright? So ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix File Explorer, slow, lagging, and freezing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.